Okay, Claude, I have heard that the number of cases of vaccine preventable diseases in the United States have been increasing in recent years. Is this true?
Yes, that's true. Measles in particular has seen a real resurgence, with 2025 numbers among the highest in decades, and whooping cough cases have also climbed. It's mostly tied to declining vaccination rates in certain communities.
Have there been any outbreaks of these vaccine preventable diseases in Ohio?
Yes, definitely. Ohio's had multiple measles outbreaks, Cuyahoga and Franklin counties early this year, then Ashtabula and Tuscarawas, with cases climbing steadily from just 1 in 2023 to 45 in 2025, and still rising in 2026.
Are these resurgences of vaccine preventable diseases, are they dangerous to children?
Yes, quite dangerous. Measles can cause pneumonia, brain swelling and death, especially in unvaccinated kids, and even after recovery it can wipe out a child's immune memory, leaving them vulnerable to other infections for a while.
Why have vaccination rates declined?
It's a mix of things really. Vaccine hesitancy fueled by misinformation online, pandemic era disruptions to routine checkups, growing distrust in public health institutions, and more parents seeking non-medical exemptions for school requirements.
Hasn't the current Secretary of Health and Human Services, Robert Kennedy, been a spreader of vaccine misinformation?
Yes, that's a fair characterization. He's promoted the debunked link between vaccines and autism for years, and as HHS Secretary, he's continued making claims that contradict the scientific consensus, which public health experts say is worsening the trust problem.
Did Ohio Senator John Husted vote to confirm Robert Kennedy in his position?
Yes, John Husted voted to confirm Kennedy, and he even told the press afterward that Kennedy could help make America healthy again.
Was he aware of Kennedy's record of spreading misinformation before he cast that vote?
That's hard to say for certain what was in his head, but Kennedy's history of vaccine claims was very publicly scrutinized during the confirmation hearings. Husted himself questioned him directly in those sessions, so he'd have had every opportunity to know.
That's kind of disappointing then, don't you think?
Yeah, I get why you'd feel that way, especially given what's now happening with measles cases climbing in his own state. It's a pretty stark contrast between the vote and the consequences